Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Wash your hands and clean the area with an alcohol swab so you don't introduce bacteria. You need good light and a mirror. Hold the earlobe between thumb and forefinger to steady it. If the earring has a screw back, grip the front post and begin turning the backing counterclockwise. If it's a pushback, gently squeeze the backing while pulling the post toward you. Make sure to keep pressure even to avoid pinching the skin. Once you've attempted basic removal, treat a stubborn earring with a warm compress for 5 to 10 minutes to reduce swelling and loosen tissue. Make sure to wrap any pliers in a clean cloth. Grip only the backing, not the post, and twist slowly while pulling straight out. Do not yank. If the backing won't budge, apply a drop of sterile saline or a light oil around the base to lubricate. Make another steady attempt. If the earring still resists, stop to avoid trauma. Once the earring comes out, clean both the post and the piercing hole with saline and an alcohol swab. Then apply a thin layer of antibiotic ointment and cover with a sterile dressing if needed. Make sure to keep the area dry and observe it for 48 to 72 hours for signs of infection. If the earring was embedded, if you can't remove it despite warm compresses and lubrication, or if bleeding and severe pain occur.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.